Hello fellas, this is the Motion Nerd right here, and welcome to my first video. For today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to use QUIXEL Bridge with Blender 3.0 and above. First of all, as you all know, there is no official release for a QUIXEL Bridge plugin for Blender 3.0 and above. I have checked many threads and many facts of the QUIXEL community, and they always say that there's no official support for the Blender 3.0, so I decided to find a workaround myself, and maybe you have seen it somewhere else, but this is my method right here. So first of all, we're going to be needing three things. First of all, we need obviously QUIXEL Bridge, and we need Blender 2.8 or a version that we are pretty sure that works with QUIXEL Bridge. And then we need the Blender 3.0 or 3.1 in my case that you want to use. As you might know, we need the plugin actually for to export the assets to Blender. So here, where we go, you go to manage plugins, and you have all the list of plugins that you need right here. So you can go ahead and check, like, download Houdini, download any plugin that you want, and as you can see, I have Blender's plugin already downloaded, but sadly it doesn't work with the Blender 3.1 that I am having and that I want to use and benefit from its pros. That is what I'm aiming for. And also you have to make sure that your export target is Blender, not anything else. Yeah, just make like the basic stuff. Let's get it out of the way. So let's try first of all to use a 3D asset. Let's export it. Here it is, it's exported successfully to our Blender, and we can see it right here. So how are we going to get it across to the Blender 3.0? It's fairly simple actually. What you do is you save this project right here. Just go ahead and save it. Sorry for this, go to a 3D project or something. What I usually like to call it is asset transfer. It's very easy actually. You just save this project, you go to Blender 3.1 as you're seeing right here. I'm using 3.1, and then you go to File, Append, and then you go to where you saved that. It's right here. Go to Meshes, and here it is in full glory right here. It might have some issues with the coordinations, but you can fix them. There's no problem whatsoever. Let's see if it's fully in its glory as I said, or I'm just assuming, but there it is. The second thing is for the surfaces. They don't work straight away like the 3D assets would, but I'm gonna show you how to make them work. So first of all, let's choose an asset, which is this one, the surface. We'll just hit export. Then it goes to our project right here, as you can see, but it has 0 next to it. This 0 means that it's not yet saved into the project. So what we need to do, we need to assign it to something. So let's just go right here, then go ahead and trick it like this. Like, even if we're not gonna use it with this, you can even go ahead, like create a cube and just make sure to assign it to it so it doesn't have that 0 anymore. Then you go ahead, Control S, save your project, go to your Blender 3.0 or 3.1, then go to Append, but this time you should go to Materials right here, and you're gonna find it right here, Mod, Tire, Rex and stuff. Just Append, and when you go to your Materials, you're gonna find it right here. And as I said before, it's on 0 because it's not yet saved to the project. Once you apply it, then it is saved to the project. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys learned something from this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video if it helped you, of course. But if it doesn't, you can always dislike the video, so I know that I have done something wrong. This is the Motion Nerd. See you. Peace.